Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite baby girl, FUNMYTE. So guys, if today is your first time, hello, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload the new video. Yeah, so today I just want to show you guys how I unlocked my son's 1 year dreadlock. Yeah, so we said you cannot unlock dreadlocks. You can, even if it's 10-20 years, you can, but trust me, you will lose a lot of hair, definitely, but you can unlock dreads, and it might take you 2 weeks depending on how long your hair is. So these are the products that I'm going to be using. You need this moisturizer in your life, and also you need all this detangler, all this comb and everything. So yeah guys, this is the next day. I already unlocked like almost all the hair. I already unlocked, like guys, as you can see, right? So I just left this bit at the front. So this is the next day, and the ones I already unlocked took me like 6 hours. So you know, we both got tired, they have to go to bed. So this is the next day, and I thought, you know, why not just show you guys how I unlock his dreadlocks. So here we go. So if you're unlocking dreads for, you know, your toddler or your child, you know, if any children, right? So make sure you entertain them, because trust me, they're gonna be rolling on the floor. It's quite a bit painful, but you just distract them with something, just entertain them so they don't feel the pain so much. So this is what I do first. You just have to get a very warm water to soak the hair very, very well. Make sure you soak it very well, and after soaking it, then you put the moisturizer. You really need this moisturizer. Don't be stingy with using the moisturizer, because it is this moisturizer that will actually soften the knots and make it a bit easier for you to go in with the pin comb to unlock it. So put quite a lot of quantity of moisturizer to, you know, soften it, and you know, you can actually even leave it for a little while for the moisturizer to, you know, get into the hair and soften all the knots. So then you will go in with the pin comb and then, you know, start unlocking the hair one by one, each strand one by one. Trust me, this one strand can take, depending on how long your hair is. This my son's one, this one strand took me like 25 minutes to unlock each one. So guys, it wasn't easy, trust me, but yeah, I prefer this because it's better than bobbing his hair, you know, which I don't want to. And yeah, so I prefer this. So depending on how long your dread is, you can definitely unlock it, and it will take days, it might even take weeks, but for him it took me just 2 days, and in total I spent about 8 hours to unlock all his hairs. So yeah, you know, so this is the way I unlock it with this pin comb. I don't know what to call it, but I call it pin comb. Pin tail comb. Yes, pin tail comb. You need that definitely to unlock your hair. And some detangler combs. Yes, you need it. And at the middle of unlocking this hair, the ones you already moisturized might be dry. You get what I mean? Because, you know, of course it's taking long to unlock each strand. Just keep going in with the moisturizer. You can see it's a dreadlock unlocker, or moisturizer to unlock dreads. Yes, so keep going in with it. Is moisturizer. You can actually use any moisturizer of your choice. Yes, you can use any moisturizer that is very nice, that softens hair very nicely. Yes, so just keep going in with the moisturizer and keep unlocking and unlocking. Trust me, it will unlock, but it just takes a lot of patience. Yes, but it will definitely unlock. And trust me guys, all my fingers were paining me for days. For days I had to massage it because this wasn't easy. So I'm just letting you know that this is not easy. I'm not going to come on here and tell you, oh, it's very easy, it just comes out very easily. No, it wasn't. Trust me, it wasn't easy. So these are the things to expect. And of course, when you get tired in between, just chill, sip some coke, relax, take your time. So anyway guys, 2 hours after, here we go. So everything is unlocked, and see the amount of hair I lost. He lost actually, because it's not my hair. Yes. And I washed his hair, and yeah, looking beautiful. Moisturize it, put some shining moisturizer on his hair, and then I pat it for him and make it neat and tidy. And here we go. My boy is happy, very happy. He has always wanted the dread unlocked, and yes, we got it done. Someone is really happy here. So this will be the end of today's video guys. If you love my video, why not give it a very big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. What do you think about my makeup guys? I feel like my face is popping, everything on fleek. I'm gonna show you my full outfit. Wait.